Ray-Ban's Wayfarer sunglasses have been a symbol of youth, fashion, and creativity for more than 50 years. A favorite of filmmakers, celebrities, artists, and musicians alike, they have become a style icon. And for good reason. Wayfarers simply offer one of the most recognizable looks of all time. Their distinct shape is always completed with the traditional Ray-Ban logo on sculpted temples. So it's unmistakable, no matter what the print, color, or lens variation. Originally available only as sunglasses with standard or polarized lens options, you can now get signature Wayfarer style in a wide array of prescription frames. Here's just a sampling of some of the Wayfarer styles we offer.
Ray-Ban's Wayfarer RB2140 sunglasses are the original. If you're looking for the classic Wayfarer, you've found it, in literally dozens of colors and lens options. Ray-Ban Wayfarer Square RB2151 sunglasses are the slightly smaller, more rigid, more modern interpretation of the iconic Wayfarer shape, offering a more sophisticated, unisex look without compromising the unmistakable identity of the original Wayfarer. RB2132. The 2132s, also known as the new Wayfarer, are just that, a new take on a signature classic. The RB2132s are slightly smaller and flaunt a softer eye shape than the original. But just like the original, this style is available in a veritable smorgasbord of classic and bright color options.
This style icon has been around for more than half a century and isn't going anywhere. You just can't make a bad investment on a pair of authentic Wayfarers.